I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show egg sandwich Bayashi. Start by prepping ingredients. Whisk eggs with a splash of soy and a pinch of salt. Toast bread lightly while you cook a soft scramble in butter for fluffy texture. Mix mayo and a touch of soy for a quick sauce. Layer eggs, greens, and sauce between slices, press gently, and slice in half to serve warm with a crisp edge. Whisk eggs until blended, then season lightly with salt and a dash of soy for umami. Heat butter over medium-low and pour eggs in, stirring slowly and frequently to form soft curds. Keep the pan gentle so the eggs stay glossy and tender. Remove from heat when slightly underdone because residual heat finishes them. Let eggs rest briefly while you assemble the sandwich so textures remain Start with toasted bread to create a sturdy base that resists moisture. Spread mayo soy sauce on both slices, then add greens or pickles for brightness. Pile on the warm eggs and, if you like, a slice of cheese melted over the eggs for extra richness. Press gently, slice cleanly, and serve immediately so contrasts between crisp bread and soft egg remain delightful. Enjoy simple tweaks to match your taste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.